We are already in the month of December, which means it's time to show you best out of best Android app which you should have in your mobile phone. And today I have come up with those 9 apps which you should must try. So keep your phone ready to experience these apps. And without any further delay, let's get started. And the first app in our list is Adobe Scan. We have several scanner apps available on the Google Play Store which help you to convert all your document into PDF. But most of the apps have several ads in their UI and some of them have malwares as well, which might steal your data. Now if you are looking for such app, then Adobe Scan is one of the best app for you. The best feature of this app is that it will automatically recognize the area that needs to be scanned, and you do not even have to click the center button to capture it. You will also find several formats as well, like whiteboard, forms, document, ID card and business card. And the best feature which I liked most is for the business card, you can directly add details to your contact. On top of that, you can also copy the text from the scanned document and much more. If you are too attached with your phone and would like to take a break from your device or wants to keep a track of your mobile usage, then Your Hours is the app for you. Once you install the app, allow administrative privileges to this app and then set your goal, like how many hours you want to use your phone, how many time you want to unlock your phone in a day, and select those apps which you want to monitor. Here you can see all the apps are already selected which are installed in my phone. So let's keep it like this. And now once I click on done, the app will show you a dashboard with the details of how many daily usage quota is left and how many unlocks are remaining from the set quota. Below this, you also have a glance on most used app, most visited app and your addiction level to your phone. Under the challenges tab, the app will recognize those apps which you used most and give you a challenge which helps you to keep your phone away. Once you move into stories, you will find users' testimony which can motivate you to keep your phone away for some time. And from the report, you can view and download your daily, weekly and monthly report as well. In the Pro version, you will not get ads and option to extract monthly and weekly report. But free version will do the same, only you will find ads in UI. So definitely try this out. The next app is Fluid Simulation. This is one of the most interesting app in our list which can be used as a time pass and wallpaper app. And you will definitely love the wallpapers. Once you install the app, you just have to open it and touch or draw on your screen as many possible way you can. And each time you will see a super vibrant liquid simulation. And I promise you can spend hours playing with this. And the best part of this app is that if you click on this little dot, there are a bunch of different settings. You can toggle and adjust to change the way the liquid moves in the simulator. So whether you want to slow down, change the color or even make it looks like more smoky, you can play with all these different settings. But here is the best part. If you scroll to bottom and select set wallpaper, then when you go back to your home screen, you can see the entire liquid simulator is a live wallpaper. So as you navigate through your phone, you will get the most incredible visuals. Check this app, you will definitely love it. We all love to keep our phone clean and tidy. But when it comes to our email inbox, it is always filled with spam and several newsletters. And some newsletters are from those services for which we have never subscribed. Now if you want to clean your inbox, then you should must try CleanFox. And by using this app, you can also contribute to clean your environment. Let me show you how. You just need to log in with your email ID in CleanFox. Once you are in, you will get the card swapping kind of interference, and on the top you will find the sender name and email ID. Below that, how many emails do you have in your inbox from the sender and how many emails has been checked or opened. And based on these details, you can take actions. Like if you want to keep it, you can swipe it left, and if you want to delete or unsubscribe from the newsletter, swipe it right, and you only want to delete the emails, just swipe it up. The experience is quite playful and straightforward. You can also switch the list view and delete multiple newsletters in batches. And developer of this app claims that the app is good for environment as well, as one email generates an emission of 100 gram of CO2 per year, and 200 million emails are sent every minute, which turns into 2000 tons of CO2 emission every minute from emails. Cleaning up your inbox is an easy way to reduce your carbon footprint and be more productive. Nowadays, router is one of the most common device which is used by almost everyone. And if you are interested to get the answer of questions like what all devices are connected to my router, is someone stealing my Wi-Fi or broadband, then Fing is the app for you. Fing is a network IP scanner app. It discovers all the devices connected to your Wi-Fi and identify them. And it works with all kind of routers seamlessly. Now when you open the app, the first option is to scan for devices. Once you click it, it will populate the list of all the devices which are connected to your router along with the brand name and what kind of device it is. Like if you see this connected device is a robot. Click here, it will give you all the details about the device. Now if you go down, you can find several other options as well, like when the device uses the internet, and if you find any suspicious device connected to your router, you can remove it from your router by using remove the device option as well. And there are several other options as well which helps to make your router more secure, which you can explore when you start using it. Now again, if you go to the main page, you have the option to perform a speed test, which means you do not need to install any separate app to perform a speed test. This is one-stop app to answer all the network related questions to you. If you go for the premium version, you will get other options as well, like checking router vulnerability, hidden camera scan, and much more. This is one of the best app for you if you have connected lot of devices to your router and wants to make them more secure. And the next app in our list is Good Time Pass. This app is for those who are looking for an app instead of game to kill the time in a healthy way. Then Good Time Pass is a complete package for you. The app offers knowledge bytes that are divided into several categories, such as Time Pass, Brain Games, and Stress Buster. And each category has different segments. Like under Time Pass, you have motivational quotes, interesting facts, life hack tips, and what is today, which give the information about the event for the day around the world. Also under history, you can know what happened in the past on the same day. Under Brain Game, you have different quizzes related to general knowledge, English, math, and games like tic-tac-toe. Stress Buster will give you the deep breath exercise technique and relaxation music as well. And there are several other fun activities are in this app. You just need to explore it, and the app will keep you engaged every time you want to do a good time pass. Filterbox is a powerful notification manager app which keeps a track of your notification history and give you a basic stat of which app sends most of the notifications. From here you can set custom rules to stop any distracting notifications. For example, I receive a ton of alerts from Google Chrome, so I can use this app to mute notifications, postpone them until a certain time period, or automatically dismiss them. I also receive a ton of emails and messages, so during a set time of period, I can have those notifications muted so that I do not get distracted while I am working. Whenever we install any app in our phone, it creates a folder in root directory, or sometime it is created by system as well. Now when you uninstall these apps, these folders left out empty as a junk. If you want to clean all these folders, then empty clean folder is app for you. Once you install the app, grant storage permission and click on Scan Empty Folders Whole Device. Once the scanning is done, it will give you a list of all empty folder on your device. Now you can select any option from the list as per your desire to clean your device. The best advantage of this app is that it takes space less than 1 MB in your phone, and you can run it at regular intervals to keep your device performance on track. And the last app of today's list is Blink. I searched this app for my personal use, but I thought it would be better to share with you guys as well. So I have a habit of whenever I am reading or watching anything on my phone, I tend to forget to blink my eyes. Now this app helps me to blink my eyes time to time by appearing a small icon into screen, which will pop out from time to time to remind you to blink your eyes. And this app have different options as well, like select different eye animation and place the eye icon as per your desire, which will not disturb you while reading or watching your content. And you can also select the time interval that remind you to blink your eyes. So that was the list of best Android apps which you should must try. If you think there is any other apps should make up this list, make sure to comment down below so that everyone is aware. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching.